Let's continue with some examples of the MySQL. If we go into run Java, this is from the previous video, we have 4 columns: user ID, country, sport, idiom. So let's add a new column. So we're gonna alter the table players, we're gonna add the continent, the data type is gonna be bar chart 50, and it's gonna be not null. So let's play it. Let me put it like that, save it. Yeah, pretty much not null. Okay, as you can see, we have this continent column and it's empty. As you can see, we can also click it now, and we have this continent column that is empty. So let's populate it. So let's add some values, and I have some let me see right here. So we're gonna update. So as you can see, we are inserting values. I'm showing you how to insert values. So we have created a new continent, a new column that is continent, and now we're gonna update this column because right now it's empty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set the continent and we're gonna set it to America where the user ID is 1. So let's click it. Okay, so and now we can go into, let me see, what you need to do here is you just pretty much copy this, not copy but just hover it, and you can just execute the select portion of the script or everything. Okay, so as you can see, we have now where the user ID and the continent column where the user ID is 1, we have America. So let's do it with the number 5 now. Okay, so we are gonna go to my bench, and we are gonna go where it was, right here, and we can just pretty much copy this thing as a oh, wait a minute. So we can just, yeah, we can just not really go. Let me put a 5, and we are gonna put in Europe. Okay, so it's gonna be Europe. So user ID 5, let me make sure this is the one. So we have user ID 5. Okay, so we're gonna go right here, execute it, and we are gonna go right here. Okay, so we have America and then we have Europe. That's fine. So let's do where this one is 2, that would be Russia, I guess. So let me see what it was. Let me put it right here. So we have America and Europe. Okay, so America and Europe. So the second one is Russia. Russia is in Europe, Eurasia. I'm gonna put it Europe. So I'm gonna put it Europe like that. And finally, number 3 would be, well, would be Asia. Okay, so let's do it as well, and we're pretty much done, I guess. So we need another one. So we have now, so America, Europe, Asia, and now we need 5, India. India is in Asia. Okay, so 4, and we're gonna update it. So we have that, and we should get, yeah, America, Europe, Asia, Asia, Europe. Okay, that's how you populate it. Now something basic. So we can just, if you want, you can just drop this column. So, or let me see, we're gonna delete from the players, from the table players, where, not this one, no, where. So this is the condition where user ID, so where user ID is equal to 5. Okay, is equal to 5. So let's update it, and we can go right here. So we have deleted friends here, and let me see. Okay, so yeah, we did that. And also now let's go into, we can drop this column. So just to drop the continent, so we alter the table, as you can see, alter the table players and just drop the continent. So let me see, yeah, let's do it. So we alter the table, the name of the we alter the table, the name of the table is players, we drop the continent, that is the column, and if we go right here, we're not gonna see the continent. Okay, that's fine. So you can start playing with that. That's fine. So what else we can see right here? So we can see some examples. So let me see, we can have country, sport. Let me try this one. So we select the country column, the sport, and the idiom from the database sports from the table players, and we are ordered by the idiom. So let me see, and as you can see, it's in descending order. So we're gonna have, as you can see, Russian, because the R star R's, then it's gonna be H, then E, then C. So as you can see, the ascending order would be A, B, C, D, etc., and descending order is the opposite. So if we put, for example, like that, ascending, so I didn't save it. Did I save it? Yeah, I did. So okay, so ascending order would be Chinese, English, Hindi, and Russia. Okay, so that's one thing, that's one example. Let me see, let me check out another example. So we have select country, sport, idiom from the database table where sport, like O. Okay, so yeah, this is where the second letter it's O. So what is the sport? So we are gonna have, it starts with whatever letter, but the second letter has to be O in this case. So we're gonna hit only hockey, yeah, Russia and India, because we see select 3 columns, country, sport, idiom from the database players, where the sport starts with whatever letter, but the second is O. So let me see, we had baseball, so let me put, yeah, so we're gonna select from these three columns, but now where the sport starts with whatever letter, but the second letter has to be A. So we are gonna get baseball, yeah, baseball from America. So let me see where was here. So yeah, let me, okay, has, now let's see tennis. Okay, so we can put in where the second is, let me see, where the second letter is C, so we should get tennis. Okay, as you can see, and it doesn't matter if I put uppercase letter E or uppercase letter E. So okay, so we can just leave it like that. Okay, so basic examples, save it. Now we can go right here, so select country, sport, idiom from sports where it starts with H. Okay, so now this is where the first letter is H, or in this case let me put B, for example. So we're gonna get baseball. Okay, and you can see baseball. Now hockey, I guess, I deleted it, yeah, here with hockey. So save it, and we should get yeah, hockey, Russia and India. Okay, so, and I'm just picking sports, so I'm not really sure if that's what they are the most popular sport, just never mind. So those are examples. Okay, so select idiom from, so select this column from the sports player where the user ID is 5. So I deleted the number 5, but let me put the number 4. Select it, and we should get Hindi. And Hindi, let me see, yeah, Hindi where user ID is number 4, and we are selecting the column idiom. Okay, so that's the reason we're getting that. So you can start playing with other numbers. So, and yeah, we saw these previous examples in the previous videos. So that's how you add tables, you updated it, you deleted. So I show you with some examples. If we go right here, and again you wanna what else do we have here? So we saw the word close, order by, yeah, descending order, updated, insert tables. Yeah, for example, you can also do, let me see, alter table. So we are gonna alter the table player. So we're gonna let me see if I go right here. So when you want to all of this to be updated, you just hover it to the select asterisk from, so this is the wildcard, so select asterisk from sports.players. Okay, so I'm gonna select it and we should get only 4 columns. So